Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest camper reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of innovation and adventure with the 2026 BYD Shark 6 motorhome. Built on BYD's groundbreaking Shark 6 platform, this motorhome combines rugged capability with modern luxury, setting new benchmarks for electrified overland travel. First, let's talk about the interior. BYD's reputation for smart design and advanced technology is clearly reflected inside the 2026 Shark 6 motorhome. Step inside and you're welcomed by a modern, intelligently laid out living space that maximizes comfort without sacrificing practicality. High-quality, sustainable materials are used throughout, including premium upholstery, soft-touch surfaces, and refined trim accents. The main living area features a widescreen infotainment display, an integrated surround sound system, and large panoramic windows that flood the cabin with natural light. The compact yet fully functional kitchen includes induction cooking, a smart refrigerator, ample storage, and energy-efficient appliances. The sleeping area offers a comfortable queen-size bed, while the ensuite bathroom features contemporary fixtures and clever space utilization, ensuring a true home-on-wheels experience. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 BYD Shark 6 motorhome carries a bold and purposeful design inspired by the Shark 6 pickup's rugged DNA. Its muscular stance, aggressive body lines, and reinforced panels emphasize durability and off-road readiness. The exterior features a durable matte finish paint designed for harsh environments, along with integrated LED lighting for improved visibility. A deployable side awning expands the outdoor living area, while off-road alloy wheels and all-terrain tires enhance capability. Built on a reinforced ladder frame chassis adapted from the Shark 6, this motorhome delivers excellent ground clearance, stability, and confidence, whether on highways or remote trails. When it comes to performance, the 2026 BYD Shark 6 motorhome truly stands apart. It's powered by BYD's advanced plug-in hybrid system, combining a turbocharged gasoline engine with dual electric motors for impressive torque and efficiency. This setup delivers smooth, responsive power across all driving conditions, from long-distance cruising to challenging off-road terrain. The advanced suspension system ensures a controlled and comfortable ride, even on uneven surfaces. Intelligent all-wheel drive, regenerative braking, and selectable drive modes further enhance versatility. With cutting-edge driver assist systems and off-road camera technology, navigating tight trails or urban streets is effortless. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 BYD Shark 6 motorhome positions itself as a premium yet attainable adventure motorhome. With an estimated starting price of around $180,000, it offers exceptional value considering its hybrid technology, off-road capability, and modern living amenities. While it's not an entry-level option, it delivers a compelling balance between innovation, durability, and comfort. This price includes advanced electrified performance, intelligent features, and BYD's renowned build quality. Choosing the Shark 6 motorhome means investing in freedom, efficiency, and next-generation travel. To sum up, the 2026 BYD Shark 6 motorhome represents a bold new direction for adventure-focused motorhomes. Whether you're exploring off-grid locations or cruising open highways, the Shark 6 motorhome is built to go further with confidence.